What's up, guys? Mike from Rockville. I'm here with my boy Darwin.
What's going on?
He said he has the RockGhost in his car. He wanted to show me what it sounds like. I haven't heard this before, so I'm going to play a song and let's listen to what this does.
Yeah, let's check it out.
All right, here we go. It's loud. It's like... That's... It's in the trunk. What? Where? No way. Where is it? No way. That's dope. Okay, now I get the RockGhost. That's awesome. So it just sits there?
Yeah, it fits perfectly. You have access to all your trunk space.
You have all your trunk space. Now, it's so weird. Seeing it now, like when I was sitting in there, I felt like the bass was still right there. Like,
yeah, man.
It didn't seem like it's sitting anywhere. That's amazing.
You don't lose any power.
And that's awesome. And you have full access to your trunk and everything.
Yeah, I can
that's
still
awesome.
do my laundry.
How are you controlling it?
Oh, everything's on the remote. It's perfect, man.
There's a remote?
Yeah,
okay.
I'll show it to you.
I'm gonna pause the song real quick. So what? It's a remote.
Yeah, you got everything here. So you got your gain on top. You can turn it up and down if you need to.
Yo, wait. So can I hear what the system sounds like without the RockGhost playing?
Yeah, but it's pretty bad.
Really? Really? Right, I just want to hear it. All right, I'm gonna keep playing the same song.
Without the fire, I'll be true. I won't neglect you.
No, that's
it.
Dang. Bring it in. Oh, that's fire. That's dope. Yo, it makes such a huge difference.
Yeah, these are all stock speakers.
No way, these are all stock speakers?
Yeah, the only thing I changed was the head unit and sub.
That's actually crazy. That like took your system to a new level.
Like, you can hear it, man.
Yeah. What else? You got a bass boost?
Yeah, you got the bass boost, so you can turn that up and down. You have a low pass filter, so you can dial everything in real smooth. And you got a phase control, so
that's awesome.
You can do
man.
everything from here.
How powerful is that sub?
Oh, you got a 200 watts RMS.
Okay, gotcha. And this comes included with the kit and whatever?
Yeah, everything's included. You got a nice long 20-foot wire, so you have plenty of space. You can run it straight to the back.
And that sub it's powered by itself, right? It's a built-in amplifier and everything. So
yeah, it's a powered sub. So
and I'm assuming it comes with everything you would need to install it and everything.
Yeah, right out of the box.
That is so awesome. Yo, thanks so much for showing me this. This sounds amazing. It sounds really great in your car.
Yeah, it's awesome, man. I love it.
Yo, that's dope. All right, I'm really glad that we got to do this. We're gonna go to the studio and check out some more specs about the RockGhost right now. This is the RockGhost version 2 200 watts RMS subwoofer system that can fit inside your spare tire for a completely hidden look, or it can be mounted in your trunk. The RockGhost version 2 subwoofer system features an 11-inch high excursion subwoofer in a super strong and durable cast aluminum casting with a new and improved shallow mounting depth to fit perfectly in any spare tire. When it's mounted in your spare tire, the sound transmits cleanly and evenly throughout the vehicle without any vibrations or unwanted noises. And the RockGhost version 2 comes with everything you need to quickly get it integrated into your system. It has power, ground, and remote line extensions so that you can run all the wires to the front of your vehicle, to the battery and head unit, and it has a harness that plugs into the amplifier side of the subwoofer over here. From the harness, you can feed signal into the subwoofer either using the RCA inputs, if you're sending signal from the RCA outputs of an aftermarket head unit, or if you have a stock radio, you can use the high-level inputs to split signal off the speaker wires somewhere else in your vehicle and send it to the subwoofer. It also comes with a full wiring kit to make installation a breeze. On top of that, it comes with a 20-foot dash remote with adjustable gain, bass boost, a low-pass crossover filter, and phase control, so you can fine-tune the sound of your subwoofer from the front of your car even when it's hidden in your spare tire. We also have a bunch of tutorial videos you can check out to help you with your RockGhost install. The RockGhost version 2 is a perfect solution for anyone who wants to add high quality and loud bass without taking up any space in their trunk. So if you're looking for an in-spare tire 11-inch 200 watts RMS subwoofer system for your truck or car, look no further than the RockGhost version 2 from Rockville.